Hi there, this video is for a 2010 Mercedes-Benz C300. I had a problem with the car not starting when I put the key in the ignition and basically tried to turn it on. It wouldn't work, and as a result found out that the locking mechanism had broken. And reaching out to AutoPurlieu, I was able to find out a way to unlock the steering wheel and have him create for me an emulator to bypass the electronic system lock altogether. And that has worked fantastic. As a matter of fact, let me start the vehicle to show you. Basically, there's no errors, no nothing. All works exactly as planned. All I did was submitted the electronic system lock and a fob key, and as a result, they were able to create the emulator.
Hey guys, today we have this 2010 C300. We'll be working on this W207, and this is our buddy Lee Alves. He found us on YouTube and needed some help. There is ESL got stuck, but luckily for him, he got it unlocked, so you don't have to remove his ESL, leave it there, disconnect it. If you want to disconnect it, you disconnect it from here. So you go that, you disconnect that, and then you can leave it there as long as it's unlocked position, which is down like that, because this will be locked. And now we're gonna program him on ESL Emulator. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let's go to emo. Let's get this started. Accept. And then let's go to Mercedes-Benz. Let's zoom in just a little bit here. And let's go to manual selection. This is a 2010 C300. C-Class 08 to 14. You actually have two keys, so you only need one key to give it to me, so we can program him on an emulator. Let's go to control unit. Then I already checked it. We go to ESL EIS tools. Already checked if this is working key for the EIS, and let's go to read EIS data. Go through OBD on Benz G box, and this is a W207. So we got the W207. This is the wiring diagram. I already pre-connected it. So ground. So we go about this way, like that. So ground wire on top left. Second bottom left is the red wire, it's positive, and then you got bottom right is the green, can low, no, and then yellow the can high. All right, we got that connected there. Let's try not to move that one. Press OK. All right, reading information. So press OK. We need to save this current data. All right, that's already saved. And then let's go back. All we're gonna do is read the password, which is we're gonna go to, let's see, go back again. There you go. Add a key. We're not gonna add a key because we got two keys already, but we need this to go on Benz G box W207. Same wiring diagram. We need to get the password calculated, so this is the way we get it calculated. So let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's begin. The wiring diagram for this is the same. So not gonna touch anything, but detecting the ignition key. See this? Press that. There you go. Insert the IR into the keyhole and press OK. I'm gonna press OK. Well, we're gonna need a blank key for this one, so I'm gonna prepare for a blank key so we can calculate the password. I'm gonna grab a blank key right here. Hope this one is working. I'm not sure. Nope, this one doesn't work, so we're gonna make sure I got a blank key for it to calculate the password. So insert the ignition key. Is this ignition key smart key? No. Okay. Okay, got number 2 keys. So this is the one, the unprogrammed key. We're gonna use that later. Actually, we're gonna use it now. Please put the blank key close. So remove this one. This is the blank key. We're gonna press at least one. There you go. Once you press that, insert to the IR keyhole, press OK. Alright, communicating. As you can see, that green light here in the top right and this one on the XP400 Pro is blinking. You're communicating good. Is there a password? No, that's what we need. Press OK to enter password calculation. Press OK. So press OK. This one we're not gonna need this now. We're done with this. So we're gonna use the original key. Let's go ahead and begin. After the password, let's go ahead insert the key in the EIS. Original key to the EIS. Press OK. 5 seconds. There you go. 5 seconds. Pull the ignition key out and press OK. Alright, communicating. So you see it's blinking, so that's good. That's what we need. Either that blinks or this blink. If it turned red, that's bad. Solid green and blinking green is what we need. Still communicating. Make sure you have a good Wi-Fi. Okay, make sure you have good Wi-Fi for this, or a hotspot, but I prefer a Wi-Fi. Okay, insert the key again to the ignition, original key. Make sure you turn on, that's what it's asking. Turn it on. Okay. After pulling the ignition key out, insert into the IR keyhole, which is the XP400 Pro. Just put it there. Alright, see it's blinking. That's what we need. Okay, communicating still. Alright, getting password is in progress now. Please wait, the whole process will take 10 to 30 minutes. Sometimes it takes longer, so we're not gonna touch anything here. So we're just gonna wait. I'm gonna pause the video and then come back whenever we get the password and we can screenshot that one. Alright guys, so this one didn't take us long. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this one. About like less than 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and press OK. From this one, insert the ignition key to the EIS. I have the password. I don't need to do anything else. I'm just gonna run this course. Exit until it fails, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to programming mode. So I'm just gonna run this course. That's what all we need is the password. Then after the password, we're gonna go ahead program the ESL emulator that we have. All right, there you go. Completed. Press OK, and then I'm not gonna insert my blank key because I don't need to add a key. So I'm just gonna wait till this one is over. So while we're doing that, I'm gonna connect my emulator. So prepare it. Put the red here. It's not a red that. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna press OK. All right, almost connected here. Okay, I'm connected here, so you can see we can light. So it says, please insert the blank key. So I'm just gonna cancel that one. We don't need this one. All right, so we're done with that. We're gonna go escape. Okay. Then try to escape that one. There you go. Go back. Now we're going to the ESL tools. All right. So this one is the W207. Well, you know what? Let me go back and let me show you the wiring diagram first. W207, the wiring diagram. I already knew the diagram here. So you can see here, that's the emulator here. So this piece is pointing up, 2 red wires on top, black wire on the bottom left, and the K, where is it at? Right here. The K line, the purple one, goes here, and the K line go to the G box. Go to your G box. All right. Let's go ahead, escape on that one. Go back. I go W207. G bus has been used. Yes. All right. So now we're gonna go write ESL data. See that? Start blinking already. That's what we need. Put it right here so y'all can see it better. Then I need my password ready, which I already screenshotted. So just be patient. Still communicating. Okay. Reading the ESL data. Make sure everything's right. So when you put the password, make sure, take your time. Take your time. All right, let's press OK. Then let's go to EIS and EEPROM. EIS data. Then we're gonna go ahead. Let me see. What time is it? Either this one. Nope. The most recent one. 12, 13. Today's, what time is it? 6, 18, 20. There you go. This one. I have two I just programmed a while ago. So make sure you know which one is you writing. If you put the wrong one, it's not gonna program right. Okay, it's loading. Okay, just take your time. Just be patient. Just be patient. That's the one thing here. You don't rush it. You're not touching anything here on your EIS. As long as communicating, that's good. Okay, press OK. And then that's the password. So now the password is combination of numbers and letters. So be careful with letter 0 and letter O, because that gets confusing sometimes. And if you put a wrong digit or extra, or you're short of one digit or one number, one letter, it's not gonna program properly and it's not gonna start your car. So make sure you insert the proper password. P-E-0. I think that's right. Press enter. Press OK. Watch out this one. Watch out for the light. Turn green. See that? Then now it's gonna turn red. There you go. And that is done. As you can see, succeeded in writing. Alright. So we're done with this one. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect all these. We're gonna test it. Make sure it's working properly. And I have this one wait for it to test it. Let's see. Alright. Just bear with me. There you go. Okay. There you go. So that is connected. Disconnected right now. This is the key, and watch for this light. This must turn green in all position. There you go. That will start the car. There you go. And we're done. Do the other side. There you go, guys. Alright guys, and we're done here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any question, let me know what I can help you. And this one is for W207 and 2010 C300. And just message me. It goes to C class, GLK, E class. So if you have a bad steering lock, this is the best route. Because if you buy another one of these, this will cost you like $2,000, close to $2,000 or more. And we know it's gonna go bad again, and this one doesn't do it. All right guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and thank you for our buddy Lee Elves for giving me an opportunity to work on his car. All right guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, share this video. Till next time.
Hi there, this video is for a 2010 Mercedes-Benz C300. I had a problem with the car not starting when I put the key in the ignition and basically tried to turn it on. It wouldn't work, and as a result found out that the locking mechanism had broken. And reaching out to AutoPurlieu, I was able to find out a way to unlock the steering wheel and have him create for me an emulator to bypass the electronic system lock altogether. And that has worked fantastic. As a matter of fact, let me start the vehicle to show you. Basically, there's no errors, no nothing. All works exactly as planned. All I did was submitted the electronic system lock and a fob key, and as a result, they were able to create the emulator. One of the side effects, though, that came out as a result of this is we decided to just disconnect the ESL and not remove it in the column, in the steering column. And as a result of that, the ESL is not fully disengaged, and you can hear a clicking sound. And that, I believe, is as a result of the pin not being fully disengaged. And the only way to eliminate that clicking sound would be to remove the steering column and remove the ESL. I'm opting not to do it. It's not worth it. It's not that annoying to me. But just be aware that if you do not remove the ESL or don't have it fully disengaged, you may run up against this clicking sound that I've encountered as well. But hats off to AutoPurlieu. They did a fantastic job, turned around the emulator in literally 24 hours after receiving it, and saved me a ton of money from going to the Mercedes dealer. Thank you much. I hope this video is helpful, and talk to you soon.